Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another thing to tackle to declutter my hall closet downstairs. It is kind of a wreck. As you guys know, I am on a mission to declutter parts of my house. I just decluttered my pantry and that turned out super good. So now I want to try doing the hall closet downstairs. You guys, it is kind of scary, but it is big enough to where I can actually make it nice. So as you can see, you guys, we have a ton of shoes in here. We have coats, we have hats. There is some decor item in there as well that does not belong. So you really have to just clear everything out and start fresh and clean, and then hang stuff back up, put stuff away that does not belong down here. Basically we have like each child brought down like 4 jackets, so I'm going to just use the ones that we want to use, and the other ones that we're not using, I'm just gonna put them back upstairs. All right, you guys, let's jump into this video. I hope you guys like it. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, and turn on the bell notification. I would love for you to subscribe as well, you guys, so you don't miss any videos. And if you can, just share my video with just one person. That would mean the world to me, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let's jump into this video. All right, you guys, so this is what we're working with in the closet. Basically, we have a shoe rack that I just bought, but then we have the bins of shoes back here as well, and I really need to get rid of those. This bin here has like snowshoes, which we don't get snow out here, but we do like to visit the mountains occasionally, but have to go through those because the kids are growing and they probably don't even fit them anymore. But anyhow, up here we have like some little hats, and we have decor items in some of my shoes, and it's like booklets for my Dyson and some tile that fell off from our staircase. So we need to like slowly start getting into this stuff and clean it out. We're gonna remove all of this stuff out and clean it all up. So let's get started with this big mess, huh? Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally found these wreaths that I made. Like, where am I gonna put these? I have no idea. Alright, you guys, looking really good. The only thing we have to do in here is put some baseboard down here and paint, because when we had the flood, when we first moved in, we had a flood like 2 days after we closed. So we still have to fix that, but for now we just have to pretend like it's not there. Okay, you guys. 8. talking about. They're like practically brand new. But I think I'm gonna just leave them in here. I was gonna put them upstairs, but I just thought I'll leave them down here. If we end up going to the snow, then we'll just use them, and then later on I'll go through them and then get rid of what doesn't fit anymore. All right, you guys, here is the transformation. It is so much nicer now. I have one jacket for each person in our family, so 6 jackets. I have a little purse hook. It's actually an over-the-door hook for robes, but I decided it would be really cute in here. I can hang this little mini purse from it, and then our little scarf accessory. Yeah, and then up here we have extra purses. This is a stroller caddy. Sometimes we go see monster trucks, so it's always good to know where these are in case we go out where it's loud for the kids. And I have some extra hats like beanies and just ball cap and a little decor piece. I'm gonna leave it there because I don't really have a place for it yet. So there you go, you guys. It is all done. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you could just share the video with just one person, you guys, that would mean the world to me. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and I really hope that you subscribe, and I want to see you here next week. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.